I'm recording that. That's, whoa, way weird, bro. What the hell?
The fuck?
Dude, I've never seen that. Don't cuss, because I'm also this in the news, bro. Dude, did it explode? I'll give you this video, dude. Let's go walk over there, because that stupid trees,
Yeah.
the trees are going to cut us off.
Watch out for the speed bumps.
I got it.
Dude, that shit's getting fucking huge. Oh my lord.
Bro, what the fuck happened, dude?
It got louder too.
Oh yeah. Well, now we're starting to hear the sonic boom. Bro. Dude, there's no way that was normal. That cannot be normal.
I think it's gonna fall in the water.
Dude, it could not have been all the way up in orbit already because once it gets up there, then they release those rockets to fall back down in the ocean. But
I think something malfunctioned.
Dude,
it wasn't even flying straight.
did it go up into it couldn't have been in orbit by then. Dude, that's so wild.
You see how it spiraled? I think it was spinning.